Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Olygee BunnyPal, and yet again, this is one of those scam products. As you can see right here, I'm going to show you in a bit on why they are a scam. However, first things first, as you can see, we have it here on Amazon.com. So if you scroll down here, they have 0 reviews, which means this product is not that successful or famous. And right here, one red flag is as you can see if you zoom in, these are pretty poorly edited photos. As you can see, the bunny itself right here is AI generated, and the ribbon right here is just a cutout and they just paste it on there. So, and then also these two right here, the ribbon and the strawberry, and the carrot also, and they didn't even try with that one. Right here also, the hand is edited. As you can see, these are AI generated images. And right here also, as you can see, if you look closely, let me zoom in on the picture right here. The hand goes through the bunny. The kid is not even trying to touch the bunny. It's just another image of a kid, and they just pasted out and pasted in a picture of a bunny on top of the kid, as you can see. And basically, they claim to be lifelike robotic companion, realistic Olygee BunnyPal. So please do not believe what you see here. This is not a lifelike bunny. It's not even close. And a lot of people, there are a lot of scams like this. They just change the name to Olygee or whatever. So please do not buy this product. It is a scam, and it is not a close to a real bunny. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.